Let's go with Stellaris again. I really enjoy. Or wait, let's go on another one. Let's go on Steam Music 3. Is this? Okay, that looks good, I think. Or wait, let's go to the. Let's go back to the favorite first one here and go like this. Go like that. And then is this random? Shuffle on, and then go random. Excuse me. There we go. Let's go pictures. Go back to where we were here. Oh wait, now we want to go up to next pixel art. All right. And to get started, let's go to a codingame. Just to warm me up here for a while. I have no idea. I'm waiting for bread. I just started fresh bread, so. Bum, bum, ba-da-da-bum. Hydrazer. Hydrazer. Oh yeah, I guess I can pop out my chat in both places. Alright, let's go to Twitch. Let's go over here. Go to this one. Can we open that one, please? Thank you. Can we do that? This one? Okay. This, that, and the other. Where's the pop-out chat? Pop-out chat. Boom. This one. We're going live. Click on this one. Mute it. Pop-out chat on this one. There we go. Close that now. Close that now. So YouTube, let's go over there. Yeah. Oh, that works there. Okay, good. Are we ready to start? Okay. Ba-da-dum. Fastest mode. You're on the verge of inventing the world's first mass-marketed quantum computer, but you are not sure if the qubits are working properly or not. So you set up a test case for the qubit processor. The test contains random particles that could be either positive, negative, or any nonsense character. Create a piece of code that deciphers the effect of interaction. The integer n for the number of sets of particles and the strings of charges. If only charges are present, then attracts. If different charges present, repels. If all the same charges, nonsense. If any nonsense characters present. So plus and minus are the charges, I take it? I have no idea. No idea. No idea what's going on here, folks. Not a clue is what I meant to say. So let's just see. I have no idea. Charges 1 plus or minus. So if only charges are present, excuse me, then attracts if different charges are present, repels if all the same charges. I don't get this. Am I supposed to see plus and minus so it attracts? Okay. If all the same, okay. What? So for each charge, we're just supposed to go through the string and see if there's a plus and there's a minus, and that's it. If any nonsense characters are present. Okay, so let's set up a, for each one of these, we need to output this. Okay, so Boolean nonsense equals false. Okay, for int j equals 0, j is less than the string charges dot length, right? So we're going to go through charges and look. And we're just going to see right now if charges sub j is not equal to plus and charges sub j not equal to minus, then we can just go nonsense equals true. Okay, and then right here we're just going to go if nonsense, then we'll see out nonsense. Okay. Otherwise, we're just going to keep going. So that'll cover the nonsense. Attracts if different charges are present, if all the same charges. Okay, so all right, let's go like this. Bool plus equals false. Bool negative equals false. All right. If charges sub j equals positive, Then we're going to go plus equals true. Okay. If charges sub j equals negative, then we're going to go negative equals true. All right. So then once we're done, if nonsense, see out nonsense. Else, we're going to have to go like this. If, so if their different charges are present, then we're going to go if plus and negative, then we'll see out attracts. And then if all the same charges. Are there only 3 options? So can I just go else here? Let's see. Repels. It doesn't look like there's another option, so that appears to work. Repels, expected nothing. So there's supposed to be nothing, expects nothing. Oh. So let's go like this. So if else, then we need to go like this. If plus, actually then, hold on. This would be different now. If plus or negative, then repels, right? They're all the same. Otherwise, nothing. And then this one, what are we doing? Attracts, repels, expected nothing. So which one did we fail on? The first one? The first one we passed because there's only one, and it's attracts, right? If that... Oh. Actually, let's do this with an else, and then we'll do that. So only if not that, then that. And still we fail on the third one. So what is the third one? So, and why are we failing it? Because if this one, if this... Oh, I think what we want to do is else, see out, and L. Will that pass this third one? No. So what is the third one, and why are we failing it? Let's just go up here, see out, high, space, and we need to know N as well, see out, N. Yes, I type loud, whatever. Okay, I'm a freak. So it should be the same, they're all the same, so it should be repels, right? And I'm outputting repels. And what's the problem? Found repels, expected nothing. It's 3 of them, they're all repels. What is the problem? I don't get it. Moving on. 0. Not sure. Fun. It was fun. Difficulty. Perfect. Statement. Not clear. Test cases. Very bad. Not sure. But okay. Faced issues. There we go. Feedback has been successfully sent. Alright, whatever. I would like to see if anybody gets it because I think repels is bugged. I didn't get any of them. I thought I got the first one. I'm not getting all my memos. Alright, moving on. Let's just go to the next one. I certainly hope codingame has not completely bugged the entire website. Excuse me. Oh yeah, I forgot. Is my microphone even working? Yeah, okay, good. I guess people are hearing me. Not that I'm saying anything important at this point. Let's see. Let's go to my favorite one. The favorite one. First terrain 3D27. Okay, good. Good, good, good. There it is. Yay. Yay. Is it working? Is it going? Computer. It just runs programs. Okay, there we go. I feel like I want to change this world, or I want the ability to change it and do some stuff that's cool in it. It's already got cool stuff, but I want more fun stuff. All right, let's go here. Are we done yet? Waiting 20 seconds. Okay, that's fair. That's fair. Okay, given an integer n, you must calculate I raised to the power of n. I, or the imaginary unit, is equal to the square root of 1, so thus I squared equals... Oh, okay. I to the power of n. Powers of I are cyclical. Okay, the integer n, which represents the power to which I is raised. N. There we go. Okay, so what we want to know is... because I is just... I to the power of n is equivalent to 1, and then output is I. Oh, I see. So, what's the pattern here? The pattern is 1 is equal to I squared is equal to negative 1, okay? So 1 is equal to I squared is equal to negative 1, I to the third is negative I to the fourth is 1, because it's negative 1 times... So 0, and we have to count for 0. So I to the 0 is 1, okay? And then 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5 is going to be back to I. Okay, so there's the pattern. So we want to mod 5, C out n mod 5, because it goes 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, actually n mod 4. So C out n mod 4, and we're going to go 1, I, negative 1, negative I. Okay, so the actual number, can we change n equal to n mod 4? There we go. And then we just want to go switch based on n. No, it's this way. And then case of 0 and break. Okay. See if this works. 0, 1, 2, 3. I think we've got it here. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so in the case of 0, we're printing 1. Is that right? C out. Okay, in the case of 1, we're printing I. In the case of 2, hello there, we're printing -1. In the case of 3, printing -I. Alright, should we just comment all this stuff? Who is that? Mr. Quidum, hello. Hello, Mr. Quidum. How are you? Okay, we got a success there. So I'll get this if the pattern is correct, and I think the pattern is correct. Okay, we got it. Not so bad. So, oh, doing well. I'm baking bread, and what time did I start my stream here? I started the bread about 16 minutes ago. So it's rising now, and then I'll go put it in the oven in about 14 minutes. I just drank coffee, and I have today and tomorrow off, and I worked all week, and yeah. Okay, so this is really cool. So we got some people sharing their code. That's awesome. Scan F. Alrighty, bro. Scan F away. And mod 4, same thing. Same thing. So printf s. Okay, n equals what? Oh no, what are we doing? Ternary? Oh, look at he did multiple ternary in a row, bro. If n equals 0 or 1 or n equals 1 or I n equals 2.
Mr. Titum, I have also shared my
Ruby code. Oh wait, are you this one? Wait a minute, computer click. Oh, Mr. Quidum, hey bro, what's up? Oh dude, look at this. Oh my goodness. I tell you what. Hold on. Ba-doom. Let's go like this. Oh, you know what? Let's give old ChatGPT, Chat OpenAI, because they just upgraded to 4.0 or whatever. See what it says. Certainly. Let's break down the Ruby code step by step. It's really fast now. Look at this.
Mr. Titum, I can explain if you want.
In summary, the Ruby code takes an integer input, uses a cycle through an array of 4 elements, prints the corresponding element based on the input. So this is a special syntax in Ruby that creates an array of strings. The %w is a shorthand for creating an array where the elements are separated by spaces. So %w 1i -1 -i creates an array that looks like this. Oh cool, look at that. Gets to I is a method that reads a line of input from the string and converts it to an integer. Okay, cool, yeah. Gets to I %4 takes the integer from the input and oh, it does a mod right on the input. This part of the code uses the result of gets to every step. Creating step 1, the result is 2, to be selected on $1. $, greater than, less than, dot, dot, dot. Then with %4 it does the cycle. This is where it gets a bit tricky. $, greater than is a global variable that represents the default output for the program, which is usually the standard output, i.e. the console. Less than is the shovel operator in Ruby, which is used to append to a string or IO object. So that means append to the default output. Oh, okay, putting it all together. Oh, I gotcha. Interesting, look at that. So now append to the default output, create an array of that, gets to %4. Oh, I gotcha. That's amazing. And I create an array so I can take the correct index. That's cool. Well, welcome to the stream, dude. Tell you what, while we're waiting for that one, let's go back to home. Summer challenge? Oh. Let's do a private one. Let's go private. from going off the screen there. I usually default to reverse mode, and all programming languages allowed. And I just like the puzzles. Cool. Anybody else can join? Anybody else in the stream? If you're on YouTube, the link is on. Oh, I can put the link on YouTube too. There you go. Alrighty. Dum, bum, bum, bum. Oh, we gotta parse out the. Oh no. Oh no. Each domain in a single line. Bum, 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 bum. Is there, okay, everyone is guaranteed to have HTTP, so we're looking for bum, 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 bum. Get line CN URL. Okay, so C out URL. I'm working in C++ because my programming projects are currently in C++. Okay, so we got that. So I forget how to do this. Let's see. In C++. The find method. Okay. String.findch. Okay, so that's what we want. So int index. Let's just go n equals url.find. And then what do we want to do? Don't we want to do and ChatGPT keeps going even though I'm on another tab. That is way better than Bing. Sorry Bing, you're out of it. Okay. Plum plum. All right. Starting position and length. And then string, substring, start position length. Okay, so start position is n plus 1. So we need a new string for each string. So string cut URL equals URL. Okay, this is going to be, what was it? String.substr. Okay, so string.substr. And then we're going to start at n plus 1, comma, and then we're going to copy. And then the length, which is going to be the length of the string, url.length, minus n plus 1, I think. So then we'll see what we get when we get cut URL there each time. There. And then so from cut URL, n equals cut URL dot find that there. And then dot substring, we're going to go with 0, comma, n, and that's it. Uh-oh, what's that one? So which one? Test 2 we failed. And it's, oh, because there is no beginning there. Oh. So, oh my gosh, we have to find the thing there. Well, that gets tricky. Are you still using Copilot? Just a few seconds ago, I found out that while it's responding in ChatGPT. You can switch tabs and it keeps going. So I just stopped using Bing Copilot. We are now fully over onto ChatGPT as of a few seconds ago. Don't quote me on that. Nothing for the press, thank you. Devin Edwards, hey, welcome back. I recognize your name, I believe. I believe. Okay, so yeah, because I think that's really cool. I think it's the stupidest thing that Bing is, first of all, 300 baud. I mean, you know how long it's been since input from the internet, interwebs, has been 300 baud? Let's see. I was in high school before 1991. We're talking 30 plus years ago. Second of all, when you tab away, the 300 baud stops responding. So ChatGPT doesn't have that, and I'm not paying anything. It's free. It's absolutely free. All right, sorry. Rant over. So anyways. And how are you, Devin? So GitHub, okay, so it doesn't have a leading dot, so we're screwed. But with all the wwws, we are fine. Now with the GitHubs and with the EN Wikipedia, oh boy, oh dear. Okay, so this one, we're not getting the GitHub there. Okay, cool. Initially they said that it was being pushed out to everybody, and I didn't get it. And then I saw somebody said it's available to everybody now, so I went and checked, and sure enough, it is. GPT-4o. And you can even come down here and hit the little thing.
In C++, you can copy a substring from a string to a new string using the substring.
You can choose your voice that you want to use.
The substring method allows you to specify.
And it will talk back to you. I'm not really that interested in that, but some people might want to listen to it instead of be on the tab and reading it. So, okay, so then how do we do this one? So then we need to figure out if there's no www. Oh, and then you've got the Wikipedia, which is an EN, and oh yeah, okay. Well, I've got 8 minutes, but I highly doubt I'm going to finish this one because I've already done this here. So, I don't know. I'm so scared. I'm scared. GitHub. Okay, GitHub. So I guess we're looking to see if it's got a slash and then a W, and then if it does, then we do the thing. If not, okay. But then I have to find something else. So I only want to do the find the dot if it's a www. So if it's got all right, let's see. The find method is implemented using efficient algorithms like the Boyer, Moore, Knuth, Morris, Pratt algorithms. Oh, okay. I wasn't really looking to be that efficient, but thank you. The most efficient way to find a substring, such as www in a string, is typically by using the find method of the string class. The find method is optimized for performance and can be used to quickly locate the position of the substring. Example, how to use find to locate the substring W. Oh, you can specify any substring like that? Oh, well that's cool. And then if it's not no position, then you have it. Oh, okay. So it's just, alright. And I'm doing it www, right? Okay, so if URL find is not equal to, what is it? String, std string end position. Okay. And I already have string, so std string end position. If it's not equal to that, then it's in there, and then we do this. Okay, so that accounts for the www. Now, so we should still pass the first one, right? Yes. So the second one is where we run into this. Okay, so then if we have, like, let's say the first one, GitHub. So all we really need to do, so we know that there's not a www, and we're moving on, right? And with this one, once we hit that, we're just going to continue. So we don't want to continue with the loop. We just want to go like that. Okay. So then let's find the, let's just do it brute force like we did before. Int n equals url.find. And now we know we can do a substring like that. So that's cool. I don't work with strings a lot. I work with graphics. So this is really good for my brain, I guess you could say. Okay, and then string cut URL equals url.substring. I cannot type something. And we're looking for what? N plus 2, because the first would be right there, I think. Comma, url.length. Computer, will you take that? Thank you. What in the heck? N plus 2. Alright, and then we just want to see out cut URL. And let's just see what happens there. So if it's www, okay, so GitHub, Wikipedia, GitHub, and all those. Okay, good. So now, so the GitHub one is going to be the easiest one. The only problem is, how do we know that it's a subdomain like en.wikipedia.blog.adblock.ai? Like, what are we looking for? So with GitHub, we're looking for the first word from the, and with adblock AI, same thing, the first word from the double slashes. Otherwise, we're looking for the word between the dots, which is what we're looking for with the www. Oh, wow. Okay. 3 minutes left. Probably not going to get it. Calling it now. I wonder if I just do the other one, how many tests I will pass. But let's try to do a little more. Find W. I don't think I can get this because my brain was. I was all set to do the www, and we're good with the first one. Good, he got it. Okay, I'm just going to see how many tests I would pass with this, and we're good. Excellent job, sir. Yep. And 50%, not bad. Holy shirt. Get as put. Okay, now I can. That's default output, right? Dot map. So okay. _1 dot scan. Oh, I get HTTPS. Oh, okay. Interesting. Dot split. Oh my. -2. Okay, interesting. If I keep doing this, I'm going to learn Ruby, bruh. Really condensed cryptic Ruby, which is what got me to study Python. Really condensed cryptic Python.
Mr. Kaitam, then I split on dots.
Let's see what we got. Then I split on dots. Look at how much you're learning just from one line of code. Isn't this amazing? That's how I learned C++.
Mr. Kaitam, and I picked the second to last.
I split on dots and pick the second to last. Oh. This reads a single line of input, and content seems to turn off as rules that store and user whatever is used to print the output of the console. Put S will print the result of the expression that follows. Global variable represents ARGF in Ruby, which is a stream designed for use with input files specified on the command line or standard input. It allows you to read from all files passed to the script as arguments, or from stdin if no files are given. The map method is an enumerator that applies the given block to each element of the collection, in this case each line of input, and returns a new array with the results for each, input. _1 is a shorthand for the first block parameter introduced in Ruby 2.7. It represents each element being iterated over by map. Oh, I guess so it's like a for each, which in this context is each line of input from the standard input, right? Okay, stream things, okay. _1.scan HTTP. Scan is a method that searches the string for occurrences of the given regular expression. Searches the string, okay. Oh, so this is a regular expression, right? That's where I was, my brain started to go, what? The regular expression breaks down as HTTPS matches HTTP or HTTPS. Colon VV matches. Oh, because it's okay. I got it. It's escaped or whatever. And then parentheses www / dot matches www, optionally 0. Regular expression is genius in this case. That would solve all of the problems, yes. Captures any characters that are not a slash in a group, the domain name. Scan returns an array, matches reach, matches array, tune, and then operator. The part X is the first match returned by scan, retrieves the second element of the match with the domain name excluding that. Okay. Domain name string is split at each period, resulting in array. Oh, nice. Split, perfect. Yeah. See, C++, no clue. This accesses the second to last element of the. So yeah, if I would have done this in Python or JavaScript, no problem. Yeah, I should have just switched programming languages. Alrighty guys, ready for another run? Anybody else want to join? Go ahead and click the link in chat now. Okay, I'm going to stretch for just a little bit, and I will start it when I come back. Oh, stretching.
Mr. Kaitam, don't want to do a shortest? Winky face.
What do we got? 37. Okay, I gotta go put my bread in the oven as well. I'll be right back. Oh, sorry. I got caught up doing dishes too. I wanted to pour myself a glass of orange juice. Next thing you know, don't want to do shortest. We can do shortest. Okay, let's do that next. Oh, dude's already got it. Okay, what is the challenge here? So my bread's in the oven. My dishes are done. Hello world. What is going on? Why is there two? Oh. String, I would prefer the S. Shoot, if we're going to do shortest, I should probably end up doing Python or something. I have not done Python in a while. Because C++, I mean, that right there loses it for C++. Just one include statement. So let's see what we got.
Mr. Kaitam, yes, C++ is not the best for shortest mode.
Okay. So we get that, and then what we want to do is now I'm typing better anyways. La 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 dun, la 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 bum.
Mr. Kaitam, did you get it?
This one I know. Yeah, it's the first letter of each word with a dash between, and then the number that's contained within the word is the number of asterisks that you print.
Mr. Kaitam, so you got it. Yes.
So first of all, so isn't it oh, it's just is digit like that, and we need CC type. Oh. There's another way to do that, I guess, but alright. is digit. So if is digit, okay, so if it's a digit, then we want to set n equal to s to I. Can we do that? S sub I. Is this, where is this? Is this in the std? Uh-oh. It doesn't like that one. IO stream, std, s2I. That's what I did. And it's not happy. Oh, is it std, s2I? No? What's the other include? IO stream? What are we missing? Can we not convert a char? And it's not suitable. See, this is is digit ch. Oh, there you go. So n is that. So if it is a digit, then we'll convert it to that and we'll figure out how many asterisks we're supposed to put in, I guess. And so we'll wait until we print. Wait, because we're going through here. No, we don't want to do that. Oh man, this is the problem. If you can't, because you can't easily, like I have to go through a whole function just to parse strings. Skipping it. Let's do a shortest. Let's do a shortest. Skipping it.
Mr. Kaitam, you didn't watch my solution Bible dump.
Oh, sorry. What is the most efficient way to parse words from a string in C++? Please. Hold on, let's see what it says here. Most efficient way to parse words from a string typically involves using the standard libraries iString stream class. I think I've been through this, yeah. Okay, so using a vector, pushing the words, yeah. So all of this
Mr. Kaitam,
split.
CW. Sorry for my English mistakes, I'm French.
Oh, I haven't noticed any. You're fine. Let's see. What if I wanted to make a split function for C++? Could you help with code for this, please? All right. So let's let that work. It's responding. Start the clash here. Blah, blah, blah. Shortest mode. Okay, so let me go over to... actually, I'm still going to use C++. A ball bounces until its bounce height is 2 centimeters or lower. Given the first bounce height of the ball and that each bounce height is half the last one, output all the bounce heights from start to end. Huh. All bounce heights from the start, excluding H, to the end, separated by a slash. Okay. So it looks like we're supposed to give them floats. Why is it an integer? So it's 20. How do I get a precision of all bounce heights start with one decimal place should be shown for integers and all decimal places should be shown for non-integers. All decimal places? If there's no bounce to output, print invalid bounce. So a ball bounces until its height is 2 centimeters or lower. Okay, so I think we have that one. Is there one that's 2? 64, 91, 176, invalid bounce. It says 3, found 3. Did it print? Oh, I see. If H divided by 2. Oh, I see. Because the first bounce you're not sent in the second one. Okay, so H is less than or equal to. So then we're going to go 4. Wouldn't that do it? Because if it's 4, then it's 2. Okay, so we did get invalid bounce. Okay. And then if we don't print that, we would pass. And then let's just go here. So one decimal place should be shown for integers. You've reached your GPT-4o limit. Responses with GPT-3. What? Okay, back to Bing. What the heck? It's all good. That's fast, though. All right. In C++, how do I print with one significant digit at least and all significant digits at most? Please. Using cout. You can control the precision, set precision fixed from the IO manip. Okay, so we need to include IO manip. There we go. See, and it stops. Oh. Set precision to 1, sets precision to all significant digits. Cout sets precision numeric limits, double digits 10 plus 1. What? Huh. So, so I have to think about this one. H do. So can I do that? Here, just do this. Can we do that? Is there an error? We're freaking out. This is freaking it out. Okay. H equals H divided by 2. Do I have to cast that to an integer or... Because it's going to give a double. It's still giving me a squiggly. Else do while. Does the while need a? Okay, so I probably was pretty well fine. All right, what do we get? 10, 5, 2. Okay, we're close. So in this case, what we need to know is I need to count. You can write a function to achieve this. Sorry, I think I have to go to the bathroom. I'll be right back. Alrighty, we're back. We have about 15 minutes for bread. And what was I doing? Counting the significant digits as a result of a calculation can be tricky in C++. As the language doesn't provide a built-in way to do this, however, you can write a function to achieve this. Count significant digits, numbers, special case, floor, log, 10, abs, num. Okay, I wouldn't have got that. Count digits, floor, log, 10, abs, num, log, plus, decimal digits. Wow, bruh. Did you do this? In Ruby? How'd you do this in Ruby? I gotta look. We gotta look now. Sorry. Quitting. Oh, look at that. Eval DD. What is this? Let's look at this. So much slower. I swear I can actually read it as it's typing it out. It's just wrong. Okay, I think I'm done with Clash of Code. We gotta work on graphics. We need to make progress on at least one project. That's my goal. That's the goal. That and get bread out of the oven. And I need to roast some chicken. And I probably should go buy some potatoes, because all I have is, well, I actually have really good mushrooms and cauliflower. Okay, so the hvaldd, trying to execute the command dd in the shell and assign its output to the variable h. The dd command is a Unix utility used for low-level copying and conversion of raw data. However, without any arguments, dd will not do anything and not likely return an error. The eval function in Ruby evaluates the string as Ruby code, but in this case, trying to evaluate the output of a shell command, which might not be valid Ruby code. What? R equals 1 to h map. H is greater than 4, or h divided by 2. Oh, this line creating a range from 1 to 4, assuming h is the number, each number in the range. Checks if h is greater than 4. If h is greater than 4 divides by 2, assigns the result back to h, otherwise returns 0. And the negative 0 at the end removes all occurrences of 0 from the array. Oh, interesting. Put s r not equal to that, or r star question info. This line checks if the array r is not empty. Oh, if it's not equal to empty. If r is not empty, it joins the elements of r into a string with a that separator and prints the result. If r is empty, it prints the string invalid bounds. Oh, cool. Please note this code might not work as expected if the dd command doesn't return a valid number, or if it returns an error. Also, the division operation in the map function modifies the value of h while iterating over the range, which can lead to unexpected results. The division operation in the map function? Oh, right here. Well, whatever, yeah. Okay. So, well, this is a texture. So didn't I have another version? There's me, by the way. Bum 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 bum. Ba-da-dum, ba-da-dum. Ah, here it is. Here's the gauntlet one. Computer, no. No is the answer. No. Bum bum bum. Ba-da-dum, 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 ba-da-dum. So this one, I thought about doing this. Bum, bum. See, these are the backgrounds here. These are really cool. But I mean, this is just the brick that I have, and then just turn it upside down. Is there a pattern to it, or is it kind of? So where's the one? Thank you for the clashes, dude. Let's see. Da 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 da. Sprite sheet generator.
Mr. Kaido,
Alrighty, thank you. I might not be streaming much longer because my bread's about to come out of the oven. So thanks for being here. Nice to meet you. I usually do Clash of Code at the beginning of my streams. I think I do early Saturday morning streams relatively easy, so I thought I might make a schedule for that. So stay tuned for that. And thanks very much. Pixel Art Generator, Ultimate Shader Playground, Space Trader. You know, we could do something with the Space Trader and then turn it into a top-down 2D. Yeah, so let's look at the Space Trader class. Where is that? Space Gems also. So let's look at 308. Bum, bum. We're going to look at the Space Trader. Space Gems. Well, for the sake of the stream, we'll go 272 and we'll do a little show off for just a little bit. Settings, demo. Okay, so there's no demo in there. So we're in here. We got directions on here. Basic controls, full screen, windowed, inventory, crafting. Once you're in inventory, it doesn't show you how to get out. Escape is the way out. Okay. Excuse me. F12 is take a screenshot. Thrust forward, move backward. Space is stop. Control the ship rotation. That's with the mouse. Okay, so what we want to do is get this 2D space working the way it works in here. I think what happened with the code, and because I refactored it, and all I did was just shove everything into classes. I didn't actually make it something that I would want to share with a C++ professional and say, work with me on it. Because probably the first thing we would have to do is refactor it more properly. So I think what I should focus on is refactoring more properly. And that means taking a step back from production, because we're not going to go forward, we're going to go backwards. And we have to realize where everything needs to be, what it needs to be, you know. And a good portion of that is because I'm actually not that experienced with object-oriented programming, but I know how it works, obviously, because I use object-oriented programming. But I guess what I'm trying to say is the best thing I could do is make the objects make sense to everyone. So if somebody who has no idea what my project is comes along and looks at my project, they wouldn't be totally lost. Just by looking at my code, they could kind of get a sense of what's going on, which is interesting to think about, really. And that's what I would call quote-unquote professional programming is all about. And that's where you want to be when you want to, for instance, what I would do is not join somebody else's team and work on their code, although that would be cool, but I would want other people to join my team and work on my code with me. So in order to get to that point, I would have to have my classes be a certain way. So yeah. So I'll have to think about that. Alright, I'm gonna go check on my bread. I'll be right back. Alright, yeah, I'm gonna fix some food, so I think I'm just gonna go ahead and end stream here. Whoop, not that one. Is it? Yeah. Alright, well, let's see. Oh. Oh, Dungeon Mans. Let's raid him. Okay, we'll stop the music there. Go raid. Play Dungeon Man. This guy's pretty cool. So where's the raid channel thing? Search and filter. Play Dungeon. Yeah, there we go. Start raid. Well, thanks everybody for tuning in. Hopefully you follow through the raid and say hi to Play Dungeon Man's. Raid now.